Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Learn Reality Consult. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import and export existing data in Arcgis. Basically, how to import and export existing data in geodatabases. Before I proceed with this topic, first of all, I would like to recap what we learned in exercise 6. That is creating a geodatabase, feature dataset, and feature class. In this topic, we learned data organization in Arcgis. We also learned type of geodatabases. We also learn advantages associated with using geodatabase. Also, we learn how to create new geodatabase. We also learn how to create new feature datasets. And lastly, we learn how to create new feature classes. So, in this topic, we will learn how to import and export existing data in Arcgis-Exercise 7. This support sheet describes how to import existing datasets like tables or spatial layers into an existing geodatabase. This can be achieved by importing the dataset into the geodatabase or by exporting this dataset to the geodatabase. Both procedures should lead to the same result. So first of all, let's tackle on how to import data into geodatabase. And I'm going to demonstrate it practically using arcmap 10.7.1. So our first point is right click on the geodatabase you want to add data to. Open the context menu. Click on import and select the type of data you want to import. Is it feature class? Is it table of raster dataset? So note that for a feature class and for a table, it's possible to load multiple files in one import session. In the next window, you have to specify your source data layer. Click on the browse button, navigate to your working folder, select the file you want to use. Double check if the output database is correct. Click OK to execute. So let's demonstrate it practically. Go to arcmap. Navigate to the folder on which you are working on. And then this is it. This is the geodatabase. And if you want to load data into this demo.gdb, you right click on it as explained earlier. Go to import, and under you can import feature class single, feature class multiple. So let's see, you can also import table single, table multiple, raster datasets. Then let's feature class multiple. In the dialog. So assuming these are what we need: bagpd.shape, olfactory building.shape, railway.shape. These are shapefiles. Highlight all of them. Click add. And this is the output database to be in demo.gdb. Click OK. It's working. Operation is being performed. Wait patiently. That is done. So let's go to our geodatabase. click on it, the plus sign, click on it, and these are the shapefile that has been imported into the geodatabase. So let's move to our next point: export data into geodatabase. As I earlier indicated, importing or exporting data into geodatabase result in the same thing. So first of all, you need to right click on the data layer that you want to export. Open the context menu, export, and select the type of output. Secondly, in the dialog that opens, identify the output location. Enter a name of the output location. Check the attribute field that will be copied to the new field. If necessary, delete all that. So let's demonstrate it practically. Go to your catalog, right click on it, go to export. Okay, export to card, to coverage, to geodatabase, to shapefile, to DBS, to geodatabase. You can select the items. These are them. Let's clear the first ones. Let's see the geodatabase. Assume if it's this day, try a demo, come to this one, and then you add it. Click OK. This is done. Let's go. Open it. You see another tray has been added. So that shows that the export and import of the dataset into the geodatabase result in one aspect. So let's move on. So sometimes you may have an empty feature class where you are asked to load specific data into that. So that's load the existing data into the feature classes and tables. You right click the feature class you want to import, click on load, click on load dataset, and click on next, click on input data. So let's demonstrate it. You go to your arcmap, then you create an empty feature class. That is how it's created. That's what I've created to be built up. So you right click the built up, and you go to load data, click on next, choose the data you want to load. After choosing, you click next till it is done. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want more tutorials of this sort, kindly subscribe to Learn Reality Console. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.